Hello you guys and welcome back to the channel. So TV presenter and rapper Molema Jub Marianye has been arrested in connection with an alleged kidnapping and shooting incident involving an e-hailing driver in Edenvale on the East Rand in Gauteng. Now, according to Gauteng police, Marianye was arrested after he allegedly confronted an e-hailing driver and accused him of being involved in a romantic relationship with his girlfriend. Police spokesperson Captain Tinswalo Sibeko said the incident occurred at around 7:30 on Sunday after the driver had transported a woman to a residence in the area. The suspect allegedly forced the e-hailing driver into his vehicle and prevented him from leaving. Now, during the incident, the suspect reportedly discharged a firearm in the direction of the driver, Sibeko said. She said the e-hailing driver managed to escape unharmed and drove to a nearby police station where he reported the incident. Police said officers acted swiftly and arrested Marianye shortly afterwards. He is expected to appear in the Germiston Magistrate Court on Monday. Now, you guys, this is not the first time that we are Jola 99 presenter faced legal woes. In 2023, Marianye was charged with rape, assault and attempted murder. Now, amongst those who accused him of committing these crimes were former Mubango actor Amanda DuPont and Newsroom Africa presenter Masichaba Khumalo. However, in July 2024, the National Prosecuting Authority withdrew the charges against Marianye. What do you guys think about this? Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Like this video, do make sure that you do share it so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video.